Hey there, I'm Spencer from Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Today we're going to take you through what a water main repair service looks like and what you can expect when you schedule one with us. The water main is the lifeline of your home's plumbing system. When it needs attention, we're here to ensure your water supply is restored quickly and efficiently. First, our skilled technicians will begin by diagnosing the issue. Signs of a water main problem can include low water pressure, discolored water, water pooling in the yard, or even an unexplained increase in your water bill. We arrive equipped with specialized equipment and replacement materials to pinpoint and address water main issues. For issues like water pooling in your yard, we'll locate the source of the leak and assess its severity. Safety is our top priority. Before we begin any repair work, we'll turn off the water supply to the affected area. Depending on the issue, we may need to excavate the area to access the damaged section of the water main. For corroded or damaged pipes, we'll carefully remove the affected section and replace it with new, durable piping. After the repair, we'll turn the water supply back on and thoroughly test the system to ensure there are no more leaks and that the water pressure has been restored. We'll inspect the repaired area and ensure it's properly backfilled and compacted, leaving your property in great condition. To prevent future water main issues, consider regular plumbing inspections. Detecting and addressing problems early can save you from costly repairs. Thank you for choosing Rainforest Plumbing and Air for your water main repair needs in the Phoenix metro area. Your water supply and your peace of mind are our top priorities, and we're here to provide fast, professional service.